At Iao Intermediate School every summer, there's 2 summer programs. One, of course, is the recovery program where students who had a challenge in regular school or need to recover some credits, make up that credit. These kids want to be here. I like that part.
Everything in here has got an edible portion, and this one's called cranberry hibiscus. All the flowers in here are edible, and there's any flowers that you guys see, you can feel free to sample it.
Everything's unique here with the variety of fruit and vegetables. It's like over 125 of everything. The kids got to taste a bit of this and smell a bit of this. This farm is humongous, and I hear that they're really serving the community in a great way. So these continued efforts, I think, are monumental here. Yeah, great farm. We love it. I like it. And we did a little weeding, a little gardening. We visited the pond, fed the chicken, the goats. Yeah, it's great. This farm is awesome.
I tried blackberries and they're like super good and juicy and sweet.
I tried those buzz beans, those things. Yeah, they're pretty good.
This is amaranth right here. If you guys know the grain, right? There's like rice. This is not rice, this is amaranth. And we got some blackberries over here, but looks like your classmates already harvested them. So we'll find another patch. You guys know the Jamaican lilikoi? The orange ones? That's the purple flower over there. That's flowering right now. So I don't think there's any fruit yet, but that one's coming along. Remember I was talking about the aggregation and the glue and the minerals? See how the soil is right here? It's not powder. It's because this is highly mineralized soil. That is like what good soil looks like. It has all that crumble. And like I said, you'll be able to hold it in your hand and it will make a little clump. And then when you press it, it goes away. So that's like the ideal conditions right there. Who knows this tree right here? Very popular tree in Hawaii. Yep. So we had this ulu tree, it was fruiting, and the wind came and blew it down, and we thought it died. But of course, it had a will to survive, to feed more people, and so it sprouts up from the root system. More Spilanthese. How about this one? You guys know this one? Mm-hmm. This one's called Mana Ulu. Mana Ulu Kalo Taro. You got lemongrass right over here. This is a keep mango. We usually get these mangoes in December. In January, I think our last ones were harvested in February of this year. And so walk through there, yep, water hyacinth. And it makes an amazing mulch, or when it comes out of the water, it's very heavy. And if we put it by a sprinkler, it gets water every day. It can actually stay alive. But we use it to mulch. So this is a dwarf coconut tree right here, dwarf Malaysian coconut. This one, when it makes its first coconuts, you gotta bend over and get the coconuts off the ground. So we don't wanna have to weed if we don't have to, so we use this as a mulch. So it keeps the weeds from growing, right? And it kind of like is a weed mat. So we're gonna like pull it, on the other areas. We spread it all around the tree. But you can see where this one is maybe like a couple weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, because it's still green and alive, right? But it's still how much lighter it is. And some of these also like that. But then we have some in here that are really old. And it's like a sponge because it rained last night. So it holds it up. But see, it's almost like felt, right? You'd almost think that it's like a fabric or like it's man-made or something, right? Because it's has like such a dense mat to it. So that is like houses for all the bugs that live under the soil. It's like a roof for them, or they live inside of it. So we provide a lot of that shade.
Oh, it's so important to know the workings of a farm is crucial to sustainability. to sustainable development, growing our own crops, raising our own chicken and goat. It's really crucial. We love these type field trips. We've gone to several farms here on island.
You're able to walk in. We have a variety of a bunch of different veggies in here. Like we have broccolini. These are watermelon radish. They're really good in salads and stuff like that. They also have like a bit of a spice.
It's not only our Uplinks program, I'm sure there are other programs that are going on at other schools, but particularly at Iao, yes, more student participation. Every week we do field trips of various kinds. Again, it allows the students to continue their social development, their educational development, working in groups, working in nature. All of those things are a benefit, simply a benefit to the child. Yeah.
That's a big one. Just take the fresh ones.
I came on this field trip to help with the farm and the community, and because it's a good learning experience for me and other people.
Well, for me, to see what other people are doing, and also because some kids, like, they're on their phones nowadays and they don't really like look outdoors and stuff.
Usually people are on their phones and they don't get to see this beautiful farm.
They're like, we already ate breakfast.
Oh, that goat is looking at
Come on, Bubba.
Oh, you like some?
Come on,
You like some? I got a whole tree for you.
There they go. Somebody take pictures.
Should I drop this?
Yeah, just put it in there.
Hey, what's on my hand?
Because they're iPad kids, they have to get off their phone.
The new thing that I learned is that a lot of people at farms take a long time, that they put hard work for all our food that we eat.
Yeah, I tasted the blackberries, and I grabbed one that wasn't really black, and it was like sour at first. And then we got to walk around, and I grabbed one of these. There's like these like really small green little balls, and it's like really peppery. And I was biting on my shirt because I was not expecting that.
It's important because so people know where all their food comes from and all the science behind it, and I think it's really cool.
Chickens? Yeah. That's the chicken's house right there. That's the chicken's house. You don't hear them? You gotta be quiet. Listen. Oh yeah, if you guys have carrots still, the chickens will definitely eat the carrots. Oh wow, very nice. Look at all this stuff over here got out of the way. Oh, well, it looks like while we were doing the farm tour that the kids got to clean up and get a bunch of weeds, and they made this massive pile down here. Look how big this is. Very nice, very nice. We got some water hyacinth in there. Yeah, check it out. Yep, all good mulch for the trees right here and fertilizer. And there's asparagus down here.
I think it's important to learn because most people now, they don't know how it works on a farm and stuff, and I think they need a hands-on experience to experience how it's like or how it feels to work in the sun all day and like help produce the food and learn stuff about it so they can pass it down to other generations. I think it's a good idea to encourage students to come because it gives them an opportunity to learn things that you can't really teach in the classroom and get an experience, like a physical experience, unlike in the classroom.
What about you? Yeah, I kind of agree with him. Like, so people are not on their phone the whole day, and it's really fun to come out here and try new things, and overall it's a fun experience.